We're located here at Split Rock for the revitalization of Pelham Bay Park and Orchard Beach in the Bronx. Large-scale redevelopment of the Orchard Beach Pavilion is underway as the Parks Commissioner Mitchell Silver, along with Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. and supporters gathered at the Split Rock Golf Clubhouse for the upcoming restoration project.
We love our volunteers and always come out to support our Friends group because they raise important funds to do wonderful things in our parks. So tonight we're also honoring some significant heroes we would like to thank and recognize, but also to raise some funds so we can help reinvest it into Pelham Bay.
What would you like to see different of Pelham Bay for the future?
Well, Orchard Beach is the one topic everybody's talking about. A Stark structure is aging a bit, but we'd like to see that restored and brought back to its former glory. But we also want to create great experience places for people, and so there's more to do out at Orchard Beach and also in Pelham Bay.
Friends of Pelham Bay Park was initially organized to help preserve the park for generations to come and help preserve its natural beauty for everyone to enjoy.
Every year we've been celebrating what the Pelham Bay has to offer, and this year we're showcasing Orchard Beach. We're very honored for the honorees that we expect to present awards to for all of the things that they've done for Orchard Beach.
The Bronx have many different phases to it. There's many different atmospheres. And, you know, I think the people that grew up, because I grew up in the hood in the Bronx, I think we deserve more than that. So Orchard Beach being at its best is best for everybody.
One of the supporters that evening being honored was Executive Director of BronxNet, Michael Max Nobby, for enthusiastically promoting the uniqueness of Orchard Beach. Important attendee of the event was Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. for spearheading efforts to restore the Orchard Beach Pavilion.
Orchard Beach to me is personal. It's where memories were made for me and my family and friends. And we owe it to the people of the Bronx, we owe it to future generations to not only have them come to Orchard Beach, as many of them are, to make memories, to spend quality family time, but to do so in a dignified way. The beach today is unacceptable, at least the pavilion. The parking lot needs to be fixed. We need more amenities. We need to have a year-round destination so that Bronxites and people beyond our borders can come. And so I'm on a mission. And I've started that mission with an initial $10 million deposit of capital funding, and it's turned into $60 million so far.
Construction of the pavilion is expected to begin next year and is expected to be completed by no later than 2022. Reporting for BronxNet Television, I'm Alexandria Garcia.